to our house.
मुझे नहीं लगा था कि काम्या लोगों के जूते भी देखती है. All of my कपड़े are only in that one room. Now I'll show them.
ज़्यादा जगह मिली
Now
थी
I'll show
ना.
them
When I
only.
gave
Now
her
you see.
equal जगह. This is the first interview anybody has come to the house. This is where my dad stood.
Wow.
And he was like, यही घर खरीदना है. It's a shelf that does books. Push this, and this is my washroom.
Oh. बाथटब में 2 लोगों की सीट है.
हाँ तो मैं मरना था.
Welcome. Yes, thank you. Welcome to our house. So
How
good
are
to
you?
see you all. And
Come.
thank God तुम लोग दुबई पूरी तरह से शिफ्ट नहीं हुए हो.
Yeah,
Still here.
Yes.
In Mumbai. And why not? Look at your house, so beautiful.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. सबसे पहले तो ये I am quite impressed by just the foyer area, just the entry area. और क्या है इन cupboards में?
कुछ नहीं.
किसकी
Shoes.
collection है यहाँ पर?
क्योंकि मेरा साइज बड़ा ना पैर का, इसलिए थोड़ा डोमिनेट हो जाता है.
That is
Otherwise,
actually true.
yes.
Because his shoes are like very chunky, very big, so they take so much space.
Yeah.
In that much space, I can actually fit in like 2 pair. 1
20.
pair, huh? One
So
pair.
can we get a glimpse into
Good God.
the collection?
I'll have to get my card.
मतलब ये शूज कार्ड्स एक्सेस चाहिए इसे खोलने के लिए.
इसको एक्सेस चाहिए खोलने के लिए क्योंकि हमारे अच्छे वाले शूज भी सारे यहीं पे हैं.
Oh.
ऐसे नहीं कि नॉर्मल शूज यहाँ पर रखे हैं और अच्छे
all-
शूज अंदर
all-
रखे हैं.
Guys, you all are perfect for Desi Bling, aren't you all? You all are
Yeah.
qualified to be in that show.
We are a little bling. All of it are his only. और मेरा वाला सेक्शन बहुत डर्टी है क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगा था कि काम्या लोगों के जूते भी देखती है क्योंकि पिछली बार जब काम्या मेरे घर पे आई थी तभी काम्या ने मुझे अपने जूतों के बारे में नहीं पूछा था. काम्या,
Yes. Look at this collection.
These are my bling section.
This is only when you're traveling to Dubai. Yeah.
No, I'm bling here also.
Okay.
Born and raised in Punjab, remember?
But this is all Karan, Teju. What
I'll
about
tell you जब because मैंने मूव इन लेट किया था और तभी करण के बहुत शूज थे. तो देखो ना पर ये पर बहुत डर्टी है. So don't judge, everything's just kept like that only.
No, please judge. Please see how I keep my shoes and please see how she keeps her
Please
shoes.
don't judge, okay?
Oh my God, I love this. Versace, Fendi, Louis
But then
Vuitton.
otherwise comfort में I like my Loro Pianos.
आप लोगों ने तो मुंबई में ही दुबई बनाया हुआ है.
But मुंबई में like if अगर मुझे regular आप देखोगे तो you'll see me like
Those are bags.
either in this yellow Loro Pianos or like this white Hermes. They're very good chappal वैसे.
These I chose for her.
Oh, I have
Those
the
are
same
the
one.
red
Yeah,
one.
the Gucci, pink
ones.
Gucci.
The pink Gucci one.
But then I'll tell you what, he has taken over and he was like, I want this space and this is mine. So he got to organize 4 bedrooms and in the bedroom that is ours, he's kept थोड़े से अच्छे कपड़े. Okay, my कपड़े, all of my कपड़े are only in that one room.
You said you should have been
Now
equally
I'll
divided.
show them.
ज़्यादा जगह मिली
Now
थी
I'll
ना.
show them
When I
only.
gave
Now
her
you see.
equal जगह तब देख लो आप.
Now I'll show.
Wait. घर बहुत खूबसूरत है, guys. I have to say, beautiful house.
Thank you.
Who's been involved in the interiors?
Completely
Yeah,
Karan.
it's my vision. Yeah.
That's why he made
Okay.
space for himself.
Yeah. No, but so when I bought the house is when Teju and Teju's mom also were here, and it was the parents' call. My dad actually, when he entered, he said, "Yehi ghar kharidna hai." And then
He actually even bought the house because my mom was like, you have to buy a house.
Our Jalandhar boy has got a beautiful house in Bandra. Also, both of you, of course, doing extremely. I've been to her house also.
Yes.
और उन्होंने मुझे इतना अच्छा गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल मील खिलाया था.
Yeah.
Last time she spent 6 to 8 hours in the kitchen. Today
I did.
I can tell by the way she's looking. आज कोई time kitchen में spend नहीं किया है.
कुछ
No, that's Tejasvi for you. 5 minutes ago, you'll see a completely different Tejasvi. In 5 minutes, she looks like this.
No, because also that was Gudi Padwa. It's so close to my heart, and I really wanted to prepare everything for
Thank
you.
you.
खुद मतलब अपने हाथों से. So I made the whole. You were there when I was doing the prep.
Yes, I remember the prep.
And
yes.
he done the tasting and everything, and he was like, "Fab."
It was amazing. Very beautiful balcony. Can we go there?
This is
Of
my
course.
spot.
This is Teju's spot. Teju and Majnu's spot.
Majnu.
Majnu is the little one.
The little dog.
तो आप दोनों के अलावा यहाँ पर
2 puppies भी हैं.
यहाँ पर 3 puppies हैं. तेजू सबसे बड़ी है.
Why does this feel so wobbly? Like what
So
is
there's a paddle pool
There's a swimming pool
underneath.
inside it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we just take off
Lunch pool, yeah.
these panels and it's all water and we can.
So cool.
Yeah.
अच्छा और यहाँ पर कौन ज़्यादा time spend करता है?
मैं.
Nice.
She's always
It's so
here.
nice when I
Yeah.
just come in the morning. I sit, I have my chai, I do a little bit of malasana. Like that morning, I don't drink chai.
Yeah.
So that morning warm water with haldi I drink here,
Right.
and I
Yeah.
just look out in the sun, just take some sun in the morning. Meri
Yeah,
subah
I
वैसे
take
थोड़ी
care of the
late
bar.
होती है. Also, we've got a section of the barbecue outside if in case you just want to have like a proper pool and like a barbie outside. That's also not used. Yeah.
Okay.
ये
Yeah.
सब झामे हमने घर पे किए तो है.
क्योंकि तूने promise किया था. I was like, do you
But
need a
now
barbecue?
I'm
Yes.
going to start making
Never
some
use the
chicken
barbecue.
skewers. So
Yes.
Are you guys somebody who would like to host a lot of people, throw a lot of parties?
Yeah,
You'll enjoy
absolutely.
that.
Yeah, but not a lot. We're very
So our friends.
selective of
Okay.
the people we hang out with.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are one of them.
Okay. मुझे मिलना चाहिए next
And
time.
promise कि तू barbecue use करेगी. This is the first interview anybody has come to a house. This is where my dad stood.
Wow.
And he was like, यही घर खरीदना है.
No wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you are inspiring me also to get a house somewhere here where we can see. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is then very windy and it's just beautiful when it's monsoons.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
This is gorgeous.
मेरा सेक्शन ये है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, organized. Everything is t-shirts, shirts, jackets, trousers, everything.
Wow.
उसका सेक्शन देखो.
All of my good stuff is
Look
kept
at
in the
this.
other section. This is all
Yeah,
my
but
regular stuff. Damn. ये पढ़ दो. Sorry.
खोल के दिखाओ. मेरे को रहना है इसके साथ अभी और.
Oh, by the way, this particular wall is so amazing. Since when have you been staying in this house?
2 years ago.
2 years
It
ago.
took me
And
2
Teju,
years.
When did you move?
I moved. I mean, it was always a soft move in.
Right.
So I would stay here, beach me. But
हाँ.
now in the month of January is when I properly moved in.
Okay.
This year January. So it's been what 5 months?
Are you enjoying here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like
Doesn't
Bandra?
feel like anything new, different. I've always been from Mumbai.
Even the
so
first, like after the puja, then the Pandit ji was like, अब यहाँ पे रहना भी पड़ेगा आज. So I was like, oh, we didn't know this. So we had that, we remember we spent the first
Yeah.
night in that room. So we made a makeshift thing just right
it
after
was
the
just a
puja.
mattress and we just stayed
Yeah.
there because they were like कि पूजा होते ही you should stay one
And cook
day.
something
right.
in the kitchen. So
So we made like prasad.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet.
So if you look at it from here,
Huh.
it's a shelf that does books, right?
Right, yeah.
So then you push this, and this is my wash.
मैं तो ढूंढती रह जाती कहाँ है.
हाँ.
That's a
this
nice one.
And we have a view. We have a
Yes.
jacuzzi. Both of me and Teju, we like salt baths. So
Nice.
that's for that.
And very thoughtfully, bathtub में 2 लोगों की सीट है.
हाँ तो मैं मरना था. यहाँ पे.
This is also very nice, like an open closet that you have here.
When I grew up, my house in Punjab had something like this, so I wanted
Okay.
it.
अच्छा आप दोनों में who's the bigger shopaholic?
He used to be a
Yeah,
bigger
he-
shopaholic. I think.
Really? We all thought that love story began inside.
No, there was
the
no
group.
love
No,
story.
there was no love story. There was no love story. It was just like a high husband type.
Okay, okay, fine.
But I'm going to count it.
मैं पैदा हुआ भी वो count कर.
Yeah.
Okay. We are so happy to see you both together on Desi Bling. Let's end this on baklava.
A sweet
and,
note.
Yes.
On a sweet note.
This is amazing.
This is really good. Okay, you try mine. I'll try yours.
Nike.
Okay, let's try
Why
one.
is it green?
It's pistachio. That's how
Ek
the
dusra-
Arab people do it, Sona. Give me this now. Is yours with chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh,
पतले क्यों बना रही है फिर?
because obviously pistachio
Sorry,
was better
sorry.
होगा.
No.
What do you
it's
call
okay.
each other?
I call her Chotu. Chotu. She calls me.
Songtya.
Songtya.
He calls me Laddu.
Songtya. Oh, Marathi version of your Punjabi nickname.